Earlier, we broke down the Supreme Court's leaked abortion ruling and the documents. But would this overruling end with SCOTUS? Ariane Daytil verifies what actions that Congress could take.
On May 2nd, a draft opinion from the Supreme Court was leaked. It suggested the court would overturn both Roe v. Wade, which has granted the right to an abortion under the 14th Amendment for nearly 5 decades, and Planned Parenthood versus Casey, a 1992 ruling that upheld the federally protected right to an abortion. But this is just a draft. In a statement, the court said it does not represent a final decision on the matter, which is expected this summer. Nevertheless, some people on social media have speculated what U.S. lawmakers could do to ensure abortion rights were federally protected. So let's verify. Can Congress pass a law that supersedes a Supreme Court ruling? Our sources are the U.S. Constitution, the U.S. Supreme Court, Professor Casey Burgett, director of the Legislative Affairs Program at George Washington University, and the Women's Health Protection Act. The answer is yes. Congress could pass a law that would supersede a Supreme Court ruling, but that law could later be struck down by the Supreme Court. In fact, lawmakers have already introduced the Women's Health Protection Act, which would codify Roe v. Wade, legally affirming a pregnant person's right to an abortion. In September 2021, the bill was passed in the House, and on February 28th, the Senate voted against bringing the bill to the floor. But if Congress passes a federal law that codifies a person's right to an abortion, it would supersede this potential Supreme Court decision. However, according to Professor Casey Burgett, director of the Legislative Affairs Program at George Washington University, it's not bulletproof. With your Verify, I'm Ariane Daytil.
And if there's something you'd like us to look into, you can simply email the team, verify@12newsnow.com, or you can message us on social media.